Hello, it's Angeline here. Today I have a brand new crafty video with Unity stamp, and I'm going to show you how to paint a watercolor galaxy. So I've already stamped this cute owl by Terry Jackson onto some plain white cardstock. I am not using watercolor cardstock, but it's okay, the colors still blend well. Here I'm using the Kuretake Gansai Tambi watercolors. You could use any watercolors you want. I'm starting off with some bright colors here to create some peekaboo, as you can see later in the video. And you just choose any colors that you like. And do remember that in between layers, you would have to dry the colors up so that it will not turn into mud. So here I'm just drying off the first layer before adding on the next. Then I'm grabbing some black watercolor here, and if you like the brighter colors to peek through more, you could add more water to the black. As you can see, the colors are still visible, but if you prefer to just have a tiny peekaboo, you could add a darker, more opaque black, as what I'm doing to the bottom of the card. And if you think the brighter colors are not popping enough, you could always go back and add some more. Again, I'm drying this layer before moving on to the next color. Next, I'm just painting in the moon behind the owl with just some plain yellow. And then again, drying each and every layer before moving on to the next one. And then I'm just choosing some plain browns and oranges here to paint in the owl so that the background will pop even more and take focus instead. And finally, to create some stars in my galaxy, I'm just placing some white paint on my old gift card and just flicking the paint onto my card. So here is how my finished galaxy looks like. I hope you enjoyed this technique and do try it out for yourself. Thanks for watching. Bye!